Hello students, as a subject teacher of SST of class 7, I have selected a topic from history. The name of the topic is when, where and how. The learning outcomes we get from this topic is the differentiate between Indian history into three categories: ancient, medieval, modern. Second one, the important event took place during the medieval period. Third one, the many names of the Indian subcontinent. And fourth one, the important and reliable sources by which the historian write the medieval history. To make easy, the historian divided the history into three categories. Ancient. The ancient period is from 3500 BCE to 700 CE. In other words, we can say the ancient history started in India from when we started reading and learning and writing, and till to the death of King Harshvardhana. Harshvardhana died in the 647 CE. This whole period is known as ancient history. Now, the ancient history we have already studied in class 6. Now in class 7 we will go through the medieval history. The period of medieval history started from 700 CE to 1700 CE. That means after the death of King Harshvardhana and the upcomings of the Europeans. The modern history started from 1700 CE to 1947. In other words, we can say the modern history when the Britishers came in India and till our country got independence. The modern history we will study in class 8. Now, in class 7, the medieval history. The medieval word is a Latin word. It is a combination of two words, medius and evum. Both combined and make the word medieval. It means the Middle Age. After death of the Harshvardhana, the upcoming ruler of Harshvardhana were not so strong. So his entire dynasty started breaking, and they started making new kingdoms. And this make an opportunity that the foreign invaders came in India. The Turkeys, the Afghans and the Mughals came and ruled our country for thousands of years. The most successful among the foreign invaders are the Mughals. The Mughals established their kingdom by Babur, and it ended up the death of Aurangzeb. Because after the death of Aurangzeb, the European came in India for business purpose, and they started conquering our country. Now the special events took place. After death of King Harshvardhana, the emergence of new regional kingdoms. After the death of Harshvardhana, the foreign invaders came in India. The Turkeys established a new kingdom in our country in Delhi and named as Delhi Sultanate. After the Turkeys, the Mughals came. The Mughals also started the new kingdom. The Mughals started. The Babur was the first among these Mughals. The Babur was the first who started the plinth of the Mughal dynasty, and Aurangzeb was the last successful Mughal emperor. After the decline of Mughal power, new regional powers started growing up in India during medieval period. These powers are the power of Marathas and the Sikhs. In the next video, we can learn the many names of Indian subcontinent and the key sources. Thank you.